Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. We are back with another makeup tutorial, and in this tutorial we are gonna be focusing on the Tarte palette in Bloom. It looks like this. It's not a new palette, but it's one of my favorite palettes. I'm more of the neutral kind of colors, so we're gonna work with that. And yeah, let's just get on with the video. So I'm going to try to do a talk through on this one. I did a makeup tutorial on like a Valentine's look with a different palette. So I want to focus on this one for this video today. Now if I look down here a little bit, it's just because I have a mirror. I know I say that in probably like every video here, but I feel like I need to address that. Now again, I'm using my e.l.f. primer, and I think I'm gonna buy the Smashbox, what the fuck, the Smashbox photo primer, I think it's called, or something like that. I heard very good reviews on it, and the reviews were pretty good too, so I think that's the next one I'm going to buy. Now to prime the eyes, again I'm going to use the Urban Decay eye primer. Now today we are going to try and blend everything, because if you seen my last video, it wasn't blended on my forehead. I didn't want to post that video, but I still posted it anyways. I just try to ignore it, even though I know it is hard to ignore. So I'm going to take this color right here to set my primer in Flower Child, and just put that all over the lid. Now I am trying out a couple foundations. I want to see, I'm very picky on my foundations, so I want to try and pick like the right one that has like a nice full coverage for dry skin. I have very dry skin, so I have like 4 different kind of foundations here I want to try, and once I get to that I will show you the foundations, like all the sample. I got samples from Sephora, so I'll show you the samples I got from Sephora. Now next, for a transition shade, I'm going to use Smarty Pants right here, and just put that in the crease. I'm just gonna do like a little basic look, nothing too much. Now my parents are on vacation, so I've been like trying to film as much videos as I can, so all my videos are pretty much pre-filmed. So next one, I'm going to go in a little darker, and I'm going to go in with Rebel right at the bottom here. And just go below that transition shade I just put in. Right below. And then I think we're going to keep this as a matte look today, since I'm not really doing anything special. I do like to dig into the shimmers in here too. One of my favorite ones is Funny Girl at the bottom here. But I think we're just going to go into Leader at the bottom, and mainly put that in the middle here. These colors are really nice and pigmented. I really love this palette. I'm pretty sure I got this palette like 2 years ago. But it's still a nice palette. Now I'm going to go back into Rebel here at the bottom and just blend that in a little bit there. Gotta make sure that's all blended. And then I'm gonna go in my inner corner with Charmer. It's this white one up here. Just to brighten up my eyes. I like to do this a lot. If you've seen my other tutorial, you know I did that on that one too. Just to brighten them up a little bit. I feel like I'm so close to the camera. Okay. Now, I'll tell you what kind of foundation samples I have. Now, if you have any recommendations on like some good full coverage for dry skin foundations, that would be greatly appreciated. Now, I have Too Faced Born This Way, NARS Sheer Glow, which I did try this one out already and I do like it. I have Hourglass Infusion and NARS Naturally Radiance, I think. So I haven't tried the NARS or Hourglass or the Too Faced Born This Way yet. And the reason why I did go to Sephora was for Born This Way, so I think I want to try it Born This Way for today. I'm going to use my e.l.f. foundation brush for this. So I'm just going to take it and just dab it everywhere. Now a little bit that goes a long way, I can already see that. So I'll probably get a couple uses out of this to try it a couple more times before I really decide. Now that I look like I have the chicken pox, we can blend it in. I'm not sure on my first impressions on this yet. Might need to put a little bit more. I am very like pale skin, so it's like super hard to find my foundation color. One of these colors are lighter than my skin tone. Just because I was in between, it was either going to be lighter or darker. So of course we went lighter. Because that's how pale I am. I need to start tanning more in the winter. Or in the winter, you can't tan in the fucking winter. I mean in the summer. So that's what it looks like so far. Let me know your thoughts. I don't really have any thoughts right yet. I just want to put it a little bit more on some spots. I know this was like a really hype product back in the day. I'm not sure how long ago, like maybe a year ago or something. And I'm just trying it out now, but that's okay. can still see my redness peeking through a little bit here. I don't like that. So far, I'm not the biggest fan on this foundation. But I'm gonna give it a shot still. I'm not just gonna give up like that. Okay. I have black under my eyes from trying to take off my mascara earlier. Okay. Maybe some concealer can help cover that up. And today I'm going to use my, it's this Instant Age Rewinding Eraser Dark Circles. It is in the color light pale, and who would have guessed that? So we're gonna put this right under the eyes here. Help conceal it. And like I did in my last video, we're going to take my little elf sponge and blend that in. I really do like this product. It's one of my favorites. Got something on my eyelash. But it's one of my favorite. It really does cover up a lot. I feel like my dry skin is showing through on this product. And same with my pores. I don't know. That could just be me, but... Now next, I'm going to go in with some contour. And hopefully we blend it this time. Because last time, apparently, I didn't blend it that well. I also had my mirror to the side, so it was hard. Oh yeah, I'm taking my favorite palette here. Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Taking this first color here. And just going in on the forehead, my hairline here. Just bronze me up a little bit. Then down on the cheeks. Your jawline. Now when you do your foundation, you're taking all like of those sculpting features in your face and you're putting one color on it. So it's good to go back and do this and put some more color and sculpting out your face a little bit. Some contour here. I just like to do a nice line and then I'll go back in and blend it out. And then sometimes I'll go in one of these top colors. I'm gonna go in with the peachy one this time and carve out that line. Now next what we're going to do is some blush. Now I'm gonna go in with this Tarte blush and it's in the color Party. It's like P-A-A-R-T-Y. Okay, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. brush. It's a small tapered brush. And just dip it in and put on the apples of my cheeks here. I realized I don't think I showed you the actual color. That's what it looks like. Now just blend, blend, blend. It's all about blending. Sometimes I'll go back and edit my videos and realize I didn't blend, and then I get super pissed off, but it's life. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Now today, I think I'm going to do a different highlight since I always do the Casey Holmes highlight. If I can open it. Okay. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Professional Paris one. Looks like that. It is in the color 01, I guess. I don't know. Looks like this. Very pretty. I really enjoy this too. Jeez. Now I got this brush in one of my Ipsy bags, I believe. It doesn't have a name on it or anything, so not really sure what the name is. Now I'm going to take this and just highlight my brow bone here. Just so my highlight and my brow bone can match. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm in a different position now, or the camera keeps moving because I'm sitting on the floor here and my foot keeps falling asleep. Okay, so next we are going to do the eyelashes, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This one's just a sample size. Oh. And for this video, I think I'm just gonna do my top lashes. I do enjoy doing the bottom lashes too, but I'm not really going anywhere today. So we're just gonna do the top lashes. And then for lips, my brother's coming upstairs. Okay, now, since he's gone, I'm sorry if the camera has moved again. Just seems to be moving a lot. I used this in one of my other videos. It was my 5-minute makeup challenge, and I really did like this color, so I think I'm gonna use it today. So Tarte lip paint in Birthday Suit. It's just a sample size I got. I think I want to buy the actual full size because I really do like it. Now Tarte is one of my favorite brands. I find myself going towards Tarte stuff quite often. Not sponsored. I would love to get sponsored by Tarte though. Once my YouTube channel gets bigger, of course. But that's my makeup look for today. I will get a closer up. And on my eyes. I don't know what the hell's on my screen right now. Now if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this makeup tutorial and you do it on yourself, let me know. And don't forget about the foundations. Let me know below what are some good ones. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.